Have you ever dreamed of a place painted with soft light, where every view is a masterpiece? That place is Tuscany, nestled in the heart of Italy. It's more than a destination. It's an invitation to feel something real. This land wraps you in a special warmth, like a cozy blanket. You sense it in the gentle breeze, see it in the golden sunlight. Tuscany slows you down, asking you to pause, breathe, and soak in every moment. Here, simple things feel extraordinary. Imagine stepping into a postcard. Tuscany feels just like that. From the moment you arrive, there's magic in the air. Time moves differently here. Slower, more meaningful. You'll notice the way the light falls, the scent of herbs, the genuine smiles. It's not just about seeing new sights, but feeling a new way of life. Tuscany connects you with something ancient and enduring. It's a journey for the soul, opening your eyes and filling your spirit. Even after you leave, you'll carry a piece of Tuscan warmth inside. The beauty here isn't just in the landscape, it's in the way it makes you feel. Every moment is a chance to rediscover wonder. Tuscany invites you to slow down and truly live. Let yourself be changed by its timeless charm. The memories you make here will linger long after you've gone. Tuscany is a place where your heart finds peace. It's a reminder that life's greatest joys are often the simplest. Come and let Tuscany awaken your dreams. Let its magic become part of your story. The journey begins the moment you say yes. Tuscany's landscapes are breathtaking hills rolling like gentle waves stretching to the horizon. Vineyards, olive groves, and golden wheat fields create a living patchwork. Nature's design here is ever-changing, bursting with color in spring, deepening in summer, glowing gold in autumn. Wildflowers add splashes of red and poppies add splashes of purple. Cypress trees stand tall, lining winding roads and guarding ancient villas. Their dark green silhouettes are iconic, whispering stories of centuries past. Being among these hills is calming, a place to wander, wonder, and breathe. Take a slow drive or a gentle hike, stopping often to admire the view. The air is fresh, filled with birdsong and the hum of bees. Every season brings a new palette, a new mood. The hills invite you to slow down and savor the moment. Here, the landscape is both a work of art and a sanctuary. The beauty is in the details, the way the light shifts the scent of earth and herbs. Tuscany's hills are a living invitation to explore. Each turn reveals another postcard-perfect scene. The land feels alive, welcoming you to be part of its story. It's a place where you can lose yourself and find peace. The hills are timeless, yet always changing. Let them inspire you to see the world with fresh eyes. Tuscany's green heart beats quietly, waiting for you to listen. Here, every view is a memory in the making. Come, wander, and let the hills of Tuscany restore your spirit. The journey is as beautiful as the destination. Tuscany's hills are ready to welcome you. The sunshine in Tuscany is golden, bathing the land in a warm, soft glow. Early mornings and late afternoons are especially magical, with light that makes everything shimmer. This light has inspired artists for centuries, but you don't need to be a painter to feel its magic. It lifts your spirits and draws you outdoors to savor every moment. The sun brings life to the land, ripening grapes for wine, plumping olives for oil, and nurturing vegetables bursting with flavor. You can taste the sunshine in every bite of Tuscan food. Living under the Tuscan sun means embracing a slower, more mindful pace. People here work with the rhythms of nature, planting, harvesting, and resting in turn. This way of life is infectious, encouraging you to slow down and savor simple pleasures. A long lunch outdoors with friends becomes a cherished ritual. The connection between land, sun, and food is clear and delicious. The light here isn't just beautiful, it's life-giving. It's a reminder to appreciate the small joys. Tuscany's sun invites you to linger, to notice, to remember. Every day feels like a celebration of nature's gifts. The landscape glows, and so do the people who live here. Let the Tuscan light fill you with warmth and wonder. It's a place where memories are made in the golden hours. The sun sets, but its glow lingers in your heart. Tuscany's light is a gift, one you'll carry home. Come, bask in the glow and let it change you. Here, every moment shines a little brighter. The Tuscan sun is waiting to welcome you. Let its light guide your journey. Tuscany's villages are like stepping back in time, perched on hilltops, offering stunning views. Wander narrow cobblestone streets lined with old stone houses, their walls telling stories of generations past. Flowers spill from windows, adding color to every corner. Each village has its own unique character, some quiet and peaceful, others lively with bustling piazzas. In the main square, locals gather to chat and relax. Discover bakeries with fresh bread and shops filled with handmade crafts. Many villages date back to medieval times or even earlier to the Etruscans. Remnants of ancient civilizations are everywhere in building foundations and hidden tombs. History is alive in these streets, inviting you to imagine the lives lived here. Get lost in winding alleyways, stumble upon hidden courtyards, and pause for coffee at a local cafe. The pace is unhurried. People take time to connect and enjoy simple beauty. Listen to the gentle murmur of Italian voices and the distant sound of church bells. Exploring these villages is a true delight. Each turn reveals a new story. The charm is in the details: weathered doors, sunlit squares, laughter echoing off stone walls. These places remind you to appreciate small joys. Tuscany's villages are living history, welcoming you to be part of their story. Every visit is a chance to slow down and savor life. The beauty here is timeless, yet always fresh. Let the villages of Tuscany enchant you. They're not just places to see, but places to feel. Come, wander, and let their magic linger. Tuscany's heart beats in its ancient streets. Discover the charm that has captivated travelers for centuries. Your own story awaits in every village. The stones of Tuscany hold centuries of stories. Knights, artists, families, all leaving their mark. Cities like Florence and Siena are living museums, filled with masterpieces and awe-inspiring architecture. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, dazzles with art by Michelangelo and Da Vinci and its iconic Duomo. Siena's shell-shaped Piazza del Campo hosts the legendary Palio horse race. But history isn't just in the cities. It's in every ancient castle, quiet monastery, and weathered pathway. Imagine the lives once lived in these places, the celebrations and challenges faced. Walking these streets, you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. The past is tangible here, yet never heavy, more a comforting presence. Tuscany's history is a gift, waiting to be discovered. Let it deepen your appreciation for the present. Every stone has a story. Listen, and you'll hear them. Tuscany's spirit endures, inviting you to be part of its living history. Tuscany is world-renowned for its wine, a tradition rooted in the land and passed down through generations. Vineyards blanket the hills, producing grapes that become celebrated wines like Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Each wine reflects the unique terroir, the soil, climate, and landscape that shape its character. Sangiovese grapes create robust reds, while whites like Vernaccia di San Gimignano offer crisp, refreshing flavors. Tuscan winemakers are passionate stewards of their craft, expressing the land's essence in every bottle. You don't need to be an expert, just curious and open to discovery. Many wineries welcome visitors, sharing their process from vine to glass. Tasting Tuscan wine is a celebration of place and tradition. The story of each wine is as rich as its flavor. Let Tuscany's wines introduce you to its soul. Every glass is a journey through history and landscape. Savor the experience. Tuscan wine is meant to be enjoyed. Visiting a Tuscan winery is more than tasting wine. It's about the atmosphere, the setting, and the passion behind every bottle. Walk through sunlit vineyards, explore cool cellars, and learn how grapes become wine. Tastings are paired with local treats: crusty bread, pecorino cheese, and prosciutto. Your host guides you through the flavors, making wine approachable and fun. There's no pressure, just discovery and pleasure. Take home a bottle as a souvenir, a memory of Tuscany's warmth. Every visit is a celebration of life's simple joys. Tuscan food is all about simplicity: fresh ingredients, honest flavors, and meals that warm the soul. Markets overflow with colorful produce, local cheeses, and fresh pasta. Shopping here connects you with the region's heart and its people. Family-run trattorias serve seasonal dishes like panzanella and ribollita, always with a welcoming smile. Grilled meats and homemade pasta are local favorites. The people of Tuscany are known for their warmth and hospitality. Even a simple buongiorno is met with a smile. This friendliness makes every meal and encounter special. Tuscany's flavors and faces invite you in, making you feel at home. Here, food is a celebration of life and community. Come hungry for both food and connection. Tuscany is more than a place. It's a feeling, an experience that lingers long after you leave. Its beauty is simple, its charm effortless. You don't need a plan, just an open heart and a sense of wonder. The best moments are often unplanned: a quiet walk, a shared meal, a golden sunset. Tuscany invites you to slow down, savor the present, and find joy in everyday things. Let its hills, villages, and flavors inspire you. This land is a balm for the soul. a reminder to be present. If you're dreaming of beauty, history, and warmth, let Tuscany be your next adventure. Your Tuscan story is waiting to be